get dressed with me for Coachella Day 1. Here in this little bag is the outfit that will save me. Give me life. That will... Over. But seriously, you are not ready for this. Oh my god. This is the top. Went with gingham print para giving very Sabrina but desert at the same time. I can pair with cowboy boots. So wait, let me just wear it. Ba yung kaba ko masyado bandito ha? TikTok, I'm 21. So this is the top. This is the short. Can you see that? It matches. Why? I had this custom. This is custom made by Just Bonita. And guys, look how cute! Guys, hands up, Gabriella. I'm gonna see Cat's Eye later. If you think that's it, no, there's more. I can put these puffs to make it cuter, and I also have this top for coverage. So if ayaw kong ipakita lahat, I can just do this. You just tie it like this, and that's the look. Ako nakaisip ng buong design na to, and wala akong nakita online. Well, what I want is very specific, so I just had it custom made. For my shoes, this brown cowboy boots, I love it. Wait. Okay. Whew. Wow. Cute siya, no? I fear I ate with this one. Eat. For accessories, I don't want to do too much. I have these bangles. I like this, but baka matanggal siya. Hindi siya secured sa likod. Knowing I'm gonna party, I think this is the safest choice. I think perfect to. Dalawa here. Dalawa here? Oh, wait, I think that's too much. Just one? Yeah, I think that's better. And yeah, that's it, guys! Party! Thank you for watching! And stay tuned for my photos. Mwah.